In this video, we will demonstrate RemoteIQ's cloud-based software application connected to a CP1000 over a LTE cellular link. This screen shows the entire fleet as a particular panel is selected. Here we see the overview of this particular CP1000. Now we see the status of the engine as the start, stop, and RPM controls are unlocked. With the controls unlocked, RPM changes can be sent down from the cloud to the CP1000. Next, we can cancel the RPM change and return control back to the CP1000. Finally, we can remotely stop the engine. The engine is stopped. Here we see the live status of the CP1000 sensors as the auto start switches change to off. This concludes this demonstration. Go to Cattron.com to learn more.